Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw savings bonds after maturity with USAA. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw savings bonds after maturity with USAA, start by gathering your materials. Ensure you have your savings bonds in hand. Log into your USAA account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the investing section of the dashboard. Look for an option related to savings bonds or treasury securities. Select the savings bond you wish to redeem. Review the details of the bond, including the maturity date and value. Click on the option to redeem or withdraw the bond. Follow the prompts to ensure you understand any tax implications. Confirm your selection and proceed to the payment method section. Choose how you would like to receive your funds, either via direct deposit or a check. Enter the necessary banking information if opting for direct deposit. Review all information for accuracy before finalizing your request. Submit your request to redeem the savings bond. You will receive a confirmation message or email once the process is complete. Keep an eye on your account for the funds to be deposited or the check to arrive. If you encounter any issues, contact USAA customer service for assistance. That's how you withdraw savings bonds after maturity with USAA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.